Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. It is a marvelous Monday. As we get started today, you'll notice that our topic has changed from multiplying and dividing integers to now adding integers. If you did not take the test on Friday, we would like you to log into Google Classroom and take the test on multiplication and division of integers before we start this new lesson. Okay? So today we're taking a look at a Khan Academy video that will demonstrate a complicated problem of adding with positive and negative numbers. I've put up two simpler problems to get you started before you go into the Khan Academy video. The two problems that I chose were 4 plus a negative 6 and negative 6 plus 10. I chose to model these on the number line for you. That's one way of doing that. We will have other strategies where we draw bubbles, we count it out, we walk it out. Just getting familiar with that movement on a number line when it includes both positive and negative numbers. Okay, so let's get started. Positive 4. So I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to go to the right 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went to the right because my number or integer is positive. Now it says I want to pair with that or add to it a negative 6. Well, negative 6 means we need to go in the negative direction, 6 spots. So I'm going to start from where we left off and now I'm going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I end up at negative 2. So let's think about it if it were money. If we have $4 and we spend $6, we now are negative 2. We had to borrow $2. On the number line, we went 4 in the positive direction, came back 6 in the negative direction, and ended up at negative 2. Let's try another one. Negative 6 plus 10. So this time when I leave 0, I'm going to go in the negative direction 6 places. So I'm going to go from 0 to negative 6. And now this time I want to add 10. And 10 is a positive number, meaning we're going to travel to the right in a positive direction. So I'm going to take off from where I left and go 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. I ended up at positive 4. You owe me $6. You now have 10. You pay me off. What do you have left? You have $4 left. So that movement on the number line, the connecting with money, we need to start analyzing or thinking about how we can model these situations to get the correct answer. There's a song we could sing. Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. 6 take away 4 is 2. Take the sign of the higher number, then it'll be exact. We have more negatives, so our answer is negative. Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. Take the sign of the higher number, then it'll be exact. If they have different signs, I subtract those two numbers and take the sign of what we have more of. Here we have more positives. I'm going to do one more example for you before we cut our video off. And that's what happens if we add two negative numbers. What does that do? How does that change it? So what if I had negative 6 and now I want to add a negative 2? Well, we would start at 0 and go in the negative direction 6 places. And now we want to go in the negative direction 2 more places. So I'm going to, where I left off, 1, 2, because notice I'm counting by 2s on my number line. End up at negative 8. Ooh, you borrowed $6, now you borrow 2 more. You owe me $8. So let's sing. Same signs, add and keep. Same signs, they're both negative. So I'm going to add the 6 and the 2. Gives me 8. and I keep the same sign. Same signs, add and keep. Same signs, add the numbers, keep the sign the same. Next up, we'll watch Khan Academy video, and hopefully he will be able to model for you some bigger numbers and that it makes sense for you. Okay, our new topic starting today, adding integers. Thanks and have a great day.